Hello, welcome. In this module 1, we will discuss about introduction to AI. Here, we will learn some of the fundamental concepts related to AI. Here, let us understand what is AI or artificial intelligence. For that, first we will understand what is natural intelligence. Then understanding artificial intelligence becomes simple. Firstly, let us understand NI, that is natural intelligence. Then we will understand what is AI, artificial intelligence. Let us understand a natural intelligence with a simple example. Think of a child learning to recognize animals. You show the child many pictures of cats and dogs. After some time, child learns to say, this is cat, this is dog. AI works in somewhat similar way. You provide the patterns to the AI, such as images and characters, and it learns based on that. Here, natural intelligence is a kind of intelligence that humans and animals are born with. Humans and animals get the intelligence by birth. That is a natural intelligence. And this natural intelligence includes think, learn, understand, feel the emotion, adopting to the new situation, using the common sense, and making the decision with awareness. It is called natural intelligence because it comes from the biology, not from the machines or programs, right? So, natural intelligence is the real living intelligence of humans and animals, whereas artificial intelligence is a man made intelligence where machines can do some smart tasks but without real understanding. AI does not understand feelings or emotions, or it does not have any common sense or situational awareness. It does the task based on the pattern and the data it has been trained on. Now, let us understand what is AI. That is artificial intelligence. The AI is the ability of the computers or machines to learn from the data. Just like child is learning by looking at the images, computers can also learn from the data and images, right? That is called artificial intelligence. AI is the ability of the computers or machines to learn from data, recognize the pattern, and make the decision, often without being given a step by step instructions. In conventional programming, you are giving a step by step instructions. Everything is written in the program. Here in AI, you provide the data and pattern. Based on that, the machine will learn. You are not providing a step by step instructions to the machine, right? That is why it is called artificial intelligence. It learns by looking at the data, somewhat similar to how human beings learn from the data. You can think artificial intelligence like computer having a brain. AI is the ability of computers or machines to learn from data, recognize the pattern, and make a decision, often without being given step by step instructions. If you are giving a step by step instructions, then it is a conventional programming. Here in AI, you are not giving a step by step instructions. You are just providing the data. And by looking at the data, machine will learn. That is why it is called AI or artificial intelligence. Now let us understand the difference between natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. Learning, human can learn. Similarly, AI can also learn. Making decision, human beings can make a decision. AI can also make a decision based on the data. Human beings can think and provide the reason. Human beings do have a thinking capacity and provide the reasoning natural way. To some extent, AI will mimic the thinking and reasoning, but not like humans. The AI will mimic the thinking based on the logics and data, not based on feeling or self awareness. AI does not have any emotions, feelings, or self awareness. Here, human beings will do thinking and reasoning based on the real understanding, emotions, and experiences. But and here AI reasoning is purely based on statistical patterns in the data. Here human beings can apply the common sense in new and unknown situations, but AI will struggle with unfamiliar and tricky cases. Human beings will have a self awareness and intention, but AI has no awareness, no intention, and no feelings. Human beings have emotion, AI has no emotion. Human beings will need a rest. After some times, you will get tired. You need a rest. but AI does not need any rest. It is not getting tired. These are some of the difference between natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching.